welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell to be notified from my new videos. Hi guys! Hi everybody! So I am recording this video on Wednesday, and I'm wearing the same thing that I wore on another video because I was inspired to continue decorating, and I figured since I had time that I would do this. So let's get started. So what I want to do today is make a centerpiece, a very over-the-top Easter centerpiece with some things that I bought and some things that I have in my home. And I wanted to do it with you guys as a motivation, inspiration to go out and make a really cute centerpiece for your kitchens or anywhere in your house. I mean, this would work anywhere, on a beautiful table, on any vignette, anywhere actually. So let me show you what I'm gonna use and then let's get started. So this is gonna be the base of my centerpiece. I showed this in a shopping haul. It is adorable, beyond adorable. This little bunny is kissing this little bunny, and I think they're the cutest bunnies ever. I'm a little obsessed with bunnies. I mean, seriously, it's a little bit of an obsession. I just think they're super cute. So this is from Home Goods. I've seen them at TJ Maxx. In Canada, I've seen them at HomeSense and Winners. So if you're looking for something like this, you can find them at places like that. It is a great, great basket. And it was $19.99, I think. Yeah, $19.99. Okay, then I am gonna use these picks that I also got from Home Goods, and they were $9.99. Some of these Hobby Lobby florals. This is just one pick, but I'm gonna cut it apart. You'll see that in a minute. And two of these greenery picks. These ones are the exact same dupes as the ones from Hobby Lobby, but these are so inexpensive. They are $2 each from my local dollar store. So that's what I'm gonna use so far, and let's get creating. I'm gonna flip the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. And you'll probably, if you're thinking of doing something like this, you're also gonna need a set of wire cutters, like clippers. Okay, so first things first, make sure you take all your tags off everything, because the last thing you want is people to see your tags on your beautiful centerpieces. And this centerpiece is gonna go in my kitchen. This is adorable. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these little tags off. And what I've done is I've spread this apart to make the greenery go further. And guys, I'm not gonna glue any of this because you never know where I'm gonna use this next year. So I bent the stem and I'm just gonna put the greenery in like that. And I have a second greenery, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Super easy. And you know, making centerpieces like this, just kind of use your imagination, guys, because that's the best part of floral arrangements and centerpieces like this is you use your imagination. So I'm bending it like that, very simple, and then I'm putting it in here. So now I have a nice base, and there you can see it like that. Isn't that cute? And you know, you got little bits of green coming out, and that's what I want. I want something very organic looking. Okay, now I'm gonna add these in, but I wanna show you something. This pick came with this green kind of raffia, and I wanna save this. So I'm gonna save this, and I'm just gonna cut these apart now. I separated the two picks. Oh, it's good. And here it is. They look fantastic. I love these little yellow pit berries on them. I think they're just so cute. I think they're gonna match perfectly. So I was thinking originally of cutting these, and I think maybe I'm gonna cut the long piece here. This one, I think I'm gonna cut this because I really want it to fit nicely into the basket. So let me see if I can do that. Oh my. Okay, there we go. So this is about as high as I want it to go. I don't want it higher than that. And I really want this basket to look quite full. Now oh, I'm sorry, I'm not in frame. This one I'm gonna bend, so you can see I just bent it. And I'm gonna tuck it in. And already it's starting to take shape. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing to the next pick. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the noise. And what I'm doing is I'm taking these little yellow bits, these ones here, and kind of maneuvering them to go forward. And I just want to make sure that, hold on, I hope you can see this. Okay, and what I'm doing here is having some of these yellow bits hang behind the carrot, because when I'm gonna have this on my kitchen table, so I want you to have a view of everything from forward and from the back. But so far, I mean, you could totally leave it like this already. But I think I'm just gonna add in a few of these yellow flowers. Okay, let me cut some off and show you what I'm thinking of. So this yellow bush has this one, and it also has this sort of pick in it, this here. So my thinking is not too many, just enough so that it makes a cute, oh my God, that's turning out so cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna place a few more in. I think this is gonna turn out so adorable. And I think it's gonna look, you know, like you just went out in the garden and picked some really pretty florals and stuff like that. So I think it looks pretty good so far. I'll just place a few in here. And guys, this is the best part of doing any kind of arrangement like this. You just use your imagination. And I do want it a little bit symmetrical because I kind of like that look anyways. And I'm just gonna place a few more in, and then I think I will be done. Okay, there you go, there you have it. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna style it on my kitchen table. And isn't that so cute? So simple, guys. This is so simple. I mean, really, no glue, not much required, and I just think it looks adorable. I mean, you could always play with it because I like these little green bits hanging out the side here. I think it really adds to it. Okay, I kind of changed my mind and I got an idea. This is a bow I had made last year for a lantern. And I've hot glued these little daisies on here, but, and it's wired. You can see I always wire tie my bows. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna use this ribbon because I think that this is gonna tie in really good with this. And if you're like me, and I love to repurpose the stuff that I make, this is always a good idea. And if you do anything with hot glue, guys, watch this. I mean, this is real life. I had this hot glued on here, like I mentioned. And if you pull your hot glue off a little bit gentle, like I'm doing right now, and of course, now that I'm trying to do it for you, there we go. It did work. Okay. If you pull off your hot glue gently like that, look, you have no traces of the hot glue whatsoever. Nothing, not even a trace. I mean, okay, there's a smidge here. Let me get this off. And I'm telling you, you could reuse any of your bows or ribbons. Now, I'm not going to use all this ribbon because it's going to be a lot. But what I'm thinking is making a little bow just to have it on the side right here. And I think I'm going to incorporate some of this green raffia that came on the pick with the carrots. So let's get started on that. and see how long I want this bow to be, because now we have a lot of ribbon and I can utilize this ribbon somewhere else in my kitchen, because I like this buffalo plaid, the beige buffalo plaid. It looks really nice with the basket and the yellow flowers. Okay, so let me make a bow and I'll be right back. You can see really good. I have my wire here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach my wire around this edge of the basket, because this is an Easter basket after all. And now you're probably thinking, well, the bow doesn't look its best yet. No, hold on, you will see, because I have an idea for it. And the best part of these wired ribbons is they really hold their shape, and you can like really maneuver them any which way you want. So, do you remember that raffia ribbon that came on the thing? This is always good to keep sort of things like this. I'm just gonna make a regular shoelace bow, I guess you would call it. Yeah, shoelace bow. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie it in here. Whoops, sorry. Thought you could see that. I'm just gonna make a little shoelace bow and tie it in here just to give it some more green, to bring the greenery in and more of that natural look of the basket. Okay, and there you have it. And now I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna place it on my table and how it's all gonna tie into my decor. Of the video. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to go and find something, or even use what you have, especially use what you have, because I mean the yellow flowers I had, even though I recently bought them, but I did have them. And the ribbon I had, there we go, the ribbon I had. So this was a very good way to utilize things and, you know, kind of think outside the box, because if you look at this, this is something that looks really high end and it's quite substantial. And I mean, if you bought this pre-made, it would cost a fortune, guys. Like, it would cost a fortune. But I think it's beautiful, and you can see from every angle, it's just gonna look so pretty on the kitchen table, and the bow is just the cutest ever. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. Thank you for sticking to the end. Hope you're having a fantastic day. No matter what day I post this video on, I'm not quite sure. Have a fantastic day, guys, and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, guys.